plugandplaykits.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect my plug and play remote starter for 2011 through 2014 F-150 and the 2013 through 2016 F-250, 350, 450, and 550. The tools you're going to need are a 9/32 and 7/32 socket, a panel tool. The first step is you're going to take your 9/32 and there's 3 screws here, here, and here. To speed up the video, I pre-loosened this stuff already. Once those are loosened, you're going to take your key and turn it to the on position and turn your wheel to press the tab right here. You can do this with your pry tool or a small flathead. Simply lift up and release, and do the same thing on the other side. Once released, you can turn your truck off and pull this off, and your panel will release once you slide down your steering wheel lever. Okay, at this point you can leave that like that and take your pry tool, and this is just clips, and just pull down the lower dash and release it. Okay, you can now remove your lower dash shroud, steering wheel shroud, excuse me. Okay, now the plugs we're going to be using is the main ignition plug, which is here, your transponder plug, which is right here, and then your OBD2 plug. I pre-taken out the 2 bolts to drop the OBD to speed up this video. So your first step is you're going to release your main ignition plug by pushing in the button and releasing the plug. Okay, we're now going to unloosen the transponder plug, which is this plug right here, 4-pin plug. Push in the clip and slide out to remove. There's 2 bolts right here to loosen your OBD2 plug, which is a 7/32 socket. Once all those are loosened, you can now take my plug and play harness and mate the other ends into the factory plugs. Make sure they click in, and take the other ends and plug them back into the vehicle. Okay, now we're going to plug in the OBD2 plug, T-harnessed. Push it in. Make sure that clip locks. Okay, and to remount this, you're going to reuse the 2 screws that you took out of the factory and bolt it up top. We're now going to do the programming process. On these vehicles for the F-150, F-250 through 550, you do need 2 keys to program. The first step is you're going to grab all your plugs and insert them. So start with the red plug and plug it in. You can now take the big white one. The order does not matter. Take your white plug. Okay. Now, at this point, you're going to hold the programming button while inserting the 4-pin black power plug. When you insert it, you will see that the lights are alternating. For this install, we're going to let go on blue and red. If you miss it, just keep holding the button down and it'll cycle back around. Do not let go when the LED is red and press and hold the button down again, or you will erase the program in the remote starter and it will not work. Okay, I've now inserted the plug. As you can see, the lights are alternating and we're letting go on blue and red. Once blue and red, we're going to take the first key and turn it to the on position and wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Take it out, take your second key and do the same thing. Turn it on. 1, 2, 3. Now take your first key and turn it to the on position. You will notice that the red and blue lights are flashing 10 times. Wait, the blue light will flash by itself rapidly. Let it flash at least 10 times. Take your key, turn it to the off position, and you're now programmed. Okay, now we're going to test the remote starter. To activate it, you're going to press your lock button 3 times. You'll notice the red light turns on. And your vehicle is remote started. Now to get in your vehicle, you would press your unlock button, enter, take your key, put it in the ignition, turn it twice to the on position, and step on the brake, which will now shut off the remote starter, and you're able to put it in gear and go. Thanks for watching.